بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, respected parents and my dear students. How are you all? I hope you are doing good. Students, have you started watching your video classes? If yes, then you have to submit your homework, which is given in the end of the video, and you have to submit your homework in the WhatsApp group. If you have not started watching your video classes, then I am requesting all the parents out there to please assist your child in watching those videos. Thank you parents for your cooperation. Let's start our social studies class. Students, this is unit 1 about myself. About myself. In the last video lecture, we learned how to introduce ourselves. You studied how to describe about a girl and how to describe a boy. How to describe a girl and how to describe a boy. Now I hope you can easily answer these questions. What is your name? Yes. Are you a girl or a boy? Yes. How old are you? In this question, I am asking about your age. How old are you? Yes, you can say like this. I am 6 years old or I am 7 years old. Yes, now let's move towards our next topic. Students, our next topic is my family. My family. This is Anam and Yasir's family. This is Anam's and Yasir's family. This is a family. You can see there are 6 people in this family. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is a family. Do you know, students, what is a family? Family is a set of parents living with their children. Family is a set of parents living with their children. Anam, Yasir. I hope, students, you can clearly see this picture. What is special in this picture? Yes, you can tell? Very good. This picture has a family. This picture has a family. There are total 6 people in this family and they all are living as a family. In this family, you can see grandparents, parents, and their children. Very good. Let's start reading. Mr. and Mrs. Ali, Yasir and Anam are all in the same family. Mr. and Mrs. Ali, Yasir and Anam are all in the same family. She is Anam, he is Yasir, and they are Mr. and Mrs. Ali. Mr. and Mrs. Ali. They both are husband and wife. And Yasir and Anam are their children. Mr. and Mrs. Ali, Yasir and Anam. They live together in one house with their grandparents. They live together in one house with their grandparents. Yasir and Anam and Mr. and Mrs. Ali live together in one house with their grandparents. Mr. and Mrs. Ali, यासिर और अनम एक फैमिली हैं। ये सब मिलजुल के रहते हैं एक घर में with their grandparents, अपने grandparents के साथ। Who are the people in the picture above? Who are the people in the picture above? Who are the people? Who are they? Can you tell me? Yes. Let's read. Mr. and Mrs. Ali are the parents. Mr. Ali and Mrs. Ali are the parents. Mr. Raza Ali is the father. Mr. Raza Ali is the father. He is Mr. Raza Ali and he is the father of these two children. He is father. Father. Mrs. Zainab Ali is the mother. She is Mrs. Zainab Ali and she is the mother. Mr. Raza Ali is the father. Mrs. Zainab Ali is the mother. Yasir is their son. Yasir is their son. Anam is their daughter. Anam is their daughter. Son, daughter. Son, daughter. Son हम कहते हैं बेटे को, डॉटर हम कहते हैं बेटी को। यासिर is son of Mr. and Mrs. Raza Ali and Anam is their daughter. Daughter. Yasir and Anam are their children. Yasir and Anam are their children. Who are they? Do you know who are they? They are the grandparents. They are the grandparents. Yes. Students, Mr. Akbar Malik and Mrs. Fatima Malik are the children's grandparents. They are Zainab's parents. They are Zainab's parents. Mr. Akbar Malik, he is Mr. Akbar Malik and she is Mrs. Fatima Malik. They both are grandparents. They both are grandparents. They are Zainab's parents. They are Zainab's parents. Who is Zainab in the picture? Can you tell me? Who is Zainab? She is Zainab? No, she is Anam. She is Zainab? No, she is Fatima Malik. She is Zainab. She is Mrs. Zainab Ali and they both are her parents and their grandparents. So students, We have learned today that this is a family, a set of parents living with their children. They are the parents, they are the grandparents, and they are the children. Very good. So, students, today we have learned about my family, how to describe a family. Now it's time for your homework. This is your homework. Read page 3 and share your video in WhatsApp group. You have to read page 3. This is page 3. I can show you here. This is page 3. You have to read this page and send me your video through WhatsApp group. Students, don't waste your time at home and start your studies as soon as possible. Take care. We'll meet you in the next video. Allah Hafiz.
اللهم انفعنا بما علمتنا وعلمنا ما ينفعنا وزدنا علما